babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a very simple immune boosting skin drink. In this one you're gonna get ginger, turmeric, collagen powder as well, which is super important for the health of your hair, your skin, your nails. There's some optional things that you can use too. I like to add some spices. I have cardamom, clove, you can even add star anise if you'd like. You take maybe like 10 minutes tops on the stove to make this, and you can make it in large batches, which is usually what I do, and I keep it in the fridge, and then as I need it or as I would like to have it, I just heat up small cups of it in the microwave. Everything that I use I'm gonna link down below, so that's definitely something you can take a look into. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's make this drink. Let's get ourselves cute and glowing. Okay guys, first things first, turn your oven on to medium heat and add your milk to the stove. I use about 2 cups of cashew milk or oat milk or a mix of both. So you kind of let that simmer a little bit. Then what you do is you add your fresh ginger to the pot. I use about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. You can even use ginger powder, and that you can use 1 teaspoon if you choose. Then you add your turmeric in, that's turmeric powder. You can also use turmeric root. I just prefer to use turmeric powder. That's about a teaspoon right there of turmeric powder. I like to take 2 cloves. I didn't have any cardamom on hand, so I didn't add it this time, but I just add 1 or 2 cloves into the mix and kind of let that sit as well to give it a nice, spicy, festive taste. I also like to add a cinnamon stick. You can also add cinnamon powder if you'd like, but I like the cinnamon stick because you can reuse it. This is the key ingredient. I like to use collagen powder. I specifically use Orgain's collagen powder. That really helps to support skin health. Collagen is important for the elasticity of the skin. Now you want to make sure you mix it up really good because the collagen can get kind of clumpy. So make sure you stir it up really good, like so. And then I like to add stevia for sweetness. So I usually use 1 to 2 packets. You can use more or less depending on your preferred taste. And then lastly, another secret ingredient, the vanilla chai tea bags. I like to add 2 of those into the 2-cup pot there. So it'll give it a really nice strong vanilla flavor. And then let them sit, just let them steep for about 10 minutes. And then what you do is you can take it off the stove. Make sure you get a strainer because you got to get out all those little pieces. And then just strain the whole mixture. You can discard the ginger, discard the cloves. And basically you're done. Voila! Love you guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching.